You're not, they do Mr. Brown.
Blue, bro.
Good morning.
Concept of revenue is not really from the previous. Also had a chance to recharge this issue. In this matter, Mr. Brown, we should need to three counts. No operator's license on a person with the understanding the individual charges and a civil infraction to be considered.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Brown, did you go over your rights with Mr. Bowditch? You understand those rights and the options presented to you by those rights? You understand the possible penalty for no valid operator license on person? And understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to no valid operator license on person 3 times? Let me catch up with paperwork. On February 17 of 26, November 16 of 24, and December 5 of 25, did you operate a vehicle in Romulus on each of those dates? And on each of those dates, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied, Mr. Bowditch? So am I. I'll accept the plea to the added charge of no ops times 3 and dismiss drove while license suspended times 3. Also, the civil infraction got dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What should I know about Mr. Brown?
Well, Mr. Brown is moving towards getting his full license back. Most recently, he made some efforts, and he didn't examine on job. So he's still working at it. I believe there are just unpaid tickets.
All right.
No drug driving, nothing.
Where were you working when you hurt your hand? How long had you been with Avis? All right. And are you still off work because of the injury? All right. Are you going back to Avis when they approve you to go back to work? Okay. Any idea when that's going to be? All right. Is your hand good enough that you can do physical labor, but it's just not good enough for them to release you from liability? All right. So you probably have more time than money right now. Am I right? Okay. So what I'm inclined to do, usually on each one of these files, I'd be looking at $500 or $600 fines and costs, depending on late fees, and 4 days on the court work program. Given your situation, you're not working right now. I'm inclined to just give you a bunch of work days. You just come in and start banging out work days and you don't have to pay us anything. All right.
Big holes.
Generally speaking, you're to be picking up trash. No, I'm not promising that's all they'll be involved, but we don't put you on chainsaws or, power equipment, that kind of stuff. All right. Anything else? All right, so what I'm going to do is on each one of these files, I'm going to order 6 days on the work program. What I want you to do is bang those out as fast as you can, so when they approve you to go back to Avis, you can go. All right, because I'm assuming you were working a day shift there? Okay. We don't have any third shift or anything, so it's got to be days for me, but let's get those done. You do owe us money on some other stuff. Can you set up a payment plan on that? You got any regular money coming in so you can do some kind of monthly, $50 a month or something? Okay. Set that up today. So that'll take care of the old stuff.
Got to schedule his work days.
And a payment plan. Yep. All right. Good luck with that hand.
Thank you.
I have it in custody. If you don't mind, we can do that right now.
Who is it?
I got the call right now.
Oh, that's Mr. Kewen? Yeah.
Mr. Kwan appears before Judge Brian A. Oakley to address the remaining obligations in his case. The discussion quickly turns to Mr. Kwan's employment schedule, as the judge needs to determine suitable dates for participation in the court's work program. Judge Oakley carefully asks about his work hours to ensure that any assigned work days do not conflict with his job responsibilities, emphasizing that only daytime availability is required. The exchange highlights the court's effort to balance accountability with the defendant's ability to maintain employment and continue meeting personal obligations. As the hearing continues, the judge reviews Mr. Kwan's financial situation and notes that he already has outstanding fines from previous matters. Rather than imposing an unrealistic burden, the court directs him to visit the collections counter and establish a structured payment plan. This arrangement is designed to help him gradually satisfy his financial obligations while remaining compliant with the court's orders. Judge Oakley ultimately rules that Mr. Kwan must complete the required court work program and actively manage both his existing debt and any new obligations arising from the case. The outcome serves as a reminder that resolving a court matter often involves more than a single hearing. It requires ongoing responsibility, timely payments, and full compliance with court-ordered programs to successfully close the case.